Hello student, welcome to the BPS online class 2 math checkpoint 2.6 by Banita Set. Today we discuss and learn add and check. Hello student, open your math book, page number 35. First to discuss for a example. Radhika distributed 20 bananas, 45 oranges and 25 apples in an orphanage. How many fruits did she distribute in all? Okay student, we adding here 3 two-digit number: 20 bananas, 45 oranges, 25 apple. So we add 3 two-digit number: 20 plus 45 plus 25. First we add place ones. 0 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 10 ones. So we write 0 ones and 1 carry over to 10 place. Then 2 plus 4 plus 2 and 1 equal to 9. Total 19. Therefore, she distributed a total of 90 fruits in the orphanage. Okay, then checking the addition. We can add numbers in any order and the answer will remain the same. Example 10. Add 36 plus 47. We make column 6 1 3 10 plus 7 ones 4 tens. First we add 6 ones plus 7 ones equal to 13 ones. So we write 3 in place ones and 1 carry over to 10 place. Then 3 plus 4 equal to 7 plus 1 equal to 8 tenths. Okay, so we check 36 plus 47 of 83. Therefore 36 plus 47 is same as 47 plus 36. Up and down, same answer. Okay,
Start.
then example 11. On Independence Day, Kavita bought 10 kites, Madhu bought 14 kites and Kushu bought 8 kites. How many kites did they buy in all? It is adding problem, some problem. So first we add Kavita bought 10 kites, Madhu bought 14 kites and Kushu bought 8 kites. We add first 1 place 0 ones plus 4 ones plus 8 ones equal to 12 ones. So we write 2 in 1 place and 1 carry over to 10 place. So 110 plus 110 plus 110 equal to 3 tenths. We find 32. Then check 1's 10. First we write Madhu. Madhu bought 14 kites, Kavita bought 10 kites and Kushu bought 8 kites. So we add 4 ones plus 0 ones plus 8 ones equal to 12 ones. So we write 2 in one place and 1 carry over to 10 place. Then 110 plus 110 plus 110 equal to 3 tens. Answer is as same. Then check. First we write Madhu bought 14 kites, Kushu bought 8 kites and Kavita bought 10 kites. Then we add one place first. 4 ones plus 8 ones plus 0 ones equal to 12 one. So we write 2 write in one place and 1 carry over to 10 place. 110 carry over to 10 place. Then 110 plus 110 plus 110 equal to 310. Here is same answer. Therefore, they bought 32 kites in turn. Dear student, then see checkpoint 2.6. Number 1, add and check the sum by changing the order in any two form. First, 1 ones plus 18 ones plus 31 ones. So we write 1 plus 18 plus 31. First we add one place. 1 8 9 plus 1 tens. 10 ones. So we write 0 write in one place and 1 carry over to 10 place. 3 1 4 plus 110 equal to 5 tens. We find 15. Then check. Changing the order, first we write 31 plus 18 plus 1. First we add one place. 8 ones plus 1 ones, 9 ones plus 1, 10 ones. So we write 0 in one place and 1 carry over to 10 place. 3 tens plus 1 tens, 4 tens plus 1 ten, 5 ten. So we write 10 place in 5. So we find 50. Same answer. Then B. 5 plus 32 plus 11. 5 ones plus 2 ones, 7 ones plus 1 ones, 8 ones. Okay. Then we go to add 10. 3 tens plus 1 tens equal to 4 tens. So we find 48. Then check. Changing the two number. First we write 11 plus 32 plus 5. 1s plus 2, 3 plus 5 equal to 8 ones. Then tens. 1 tens plus 3 tens equal to 4 tens. Then answer we find 48. Then number C. 8 plus 43 plus 21 equal to 72. 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 12. So we write 2 in one place and 1 carry over to 10 place. 4 tens plus 6 tens plus 1 tens equal to 7 tens. So we find 72. Check. Changing the order. First we write 21 plus 43 plus 8 equal to, first we add one place. 1 plus 3 4 plus 8 equal to 12. So we write 2 in one place and 1 carry over to 10 place. 2 tens plus 4 tens, 6 tens plus 1 tens equal to 7 tens. So we find 72. Okay.